Guys, look at that. So, see? Wow! Oh my goodness! It's coming in line. See? Directly. Now there are people starting for the preparation of the mess hall. And this is the one is very hard worker, guys, from Philippines. Name is Ruel. So oh, love mark. See, they are coming. So this is our place of mess hall labor here in Jabalus. So look at that. And this is what is sharing for you that our videos. And look, good, very good. See, we're starting now for the serving of the food. Yeah, this is a little Filipino here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.